Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go down until you find this window of Telegram app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell, like and subscribe. See you next time.